Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Control an LED wirelessly using an ESP32 and a simple web page. Let's build it step by step. ESP32 board, breadboard, jumper wires. Let's set up the circuit. Take your LED and identify its two legs. The longer leg is the positive, anode, and the shorter one is the negative, cathode. Now, connect the positive leg of the LED to one end of a 220 ohm resistor. The other end of that resistor goes into GPIO pin 5 on your ESP32 board. This is the pin we'll use to control the LED from the code. Then, connect the negative leg of the LED directly to the GND, ground, pin of the ESP32. This resistor is important. It limits the current going into the LED and protects it from burning out. With just these three components, 32 Spanish pesetas, LED, and resistor, you're now ready to wirelessly control the LED from your browser. In the code, we first include the Wi-Fi H library to handle the Wi-Fi connection. Next, we define your Wi-Fi credentials and set up GPIO 5 as an output pin. In the setup, we begin serial communication, connect to Wi-Fi, and print the IP address. This IP is what you'll use to access the web server. The loop listens for HTTP requests. When someone visits the IP in a browser, the ESP32 responds with a basic HTML page. This page includes on and off buttons. When you click one, a specific command is sent back to the ESP32. If the server reads LED equals on, it turns the LED on. If it reads LED equals off, it turns the LED off. Simple, smart, and wireless. This is a great beginner IoT project to understand web control with 32 Spanish pesetas. Like, share, and subscribe for more wireless wonders.